Good day, everyone. So today I'll be presenting my philosophies of management. Basically, focus on the local setup. And with this, I choose the Kapwa, a Filipino management philosophy by Drew Minalang. And this journal is from the Department of Philosophy from Xavier University, Ateneo de Cagayan. So I choose this article because it explains Virgilius Enrique's concept of kapwa in the foundation of Filipino thoughts, emphasizing shared identity, dignity, equality, and a human relationship. Although this philosophy or social psychology articles, it strongly relates to a Filipino management philosophy because it provides a cultural foundation for Filipino-centered leadership and organizational relationship. The author discusses how a pakikipagkapwa represents a deeper human interaction between quality and mutual recognition rather than a simple conformity. So Minalang on 2025 confronts the question on whether a Filipino values concept can provide a genuine foundation of understanding Filipino relationship, behavior, and social interaction rather than relying mainly in a Western perspective. The author answers that the Filipino concept of kapwa provides a deeper understanding of Filipino identity because it represents the shared identity between self and others, where people recognize each other as equal. The kapwa means shared human identity. It means to say that Filipino philosophy and management should be grounded in indigenous values where relationship, dignity, cooperation, and mutual respect are prioritized. In management contexts, this means that leaders should view employees not merely as employers or as workers or even resources, but a fellow human being who contribute and share organizational purpose. The pakikipagkapwa promotes quality and dignity, and he justifies that. This by discussing the following supporting points. First, Filipino language reveals indigenous concept that explains Filipino behavior and worldview because meaningful concept for understanding society can be discovered through a native language and experiences. Second, Kapwa represents shared identity rather than a separation between self and others because it recognizes unity between individual and emphasizes that I am no different from others. Third, pakikipagkapwa promotes equality, dignity, and human relationship because even individuals with different roles, status, and income should treat one another as fellow human beings. In the face of Minalang claim, I argue that Filipino management philosophy should indeed incorporate with Kapwa as a guiding principle because organizations are not only the system of production, but it also communities composed of people with emotion, values, and relationship. In other words, I am convinced that effective Filipino managers should practice Filipino centered relationship or leadership, where decision considered employees' welfare, teamwork, and shared responsibility rather than focusing only on productivity and profit. However, other thinkers objectives object to this, asserting that management should remain based on the universal principles such as efficiency, formal structures, performance measurement, and objective decision making rather than a cultural values that may encourage personal relationship. They mean that too much of the Filipino relational values may create problems such as favoritism, difficulty in enforcing rules, and prioritizing personal connection over organizational goals. To this, I reply that Filipino values such as kapwa should not be placed by a professional management system, but it should complement them. When properly practiced, kapwa does not mean ignoring the standard. Instead, it encourages leaders to complement the rules with fairness and respect with compassion. In response, this case of Filipino company where a manager must evaluate the employee's poor performance. A manager guided only by a strict performance measured by immediately penalize the employee. While a manager practicing kapwa may first understand the employee's situation, provide support, and create opportunity for improvement while still maintaining accountability. This case reveals that Filipino management philosophy does not weaken the organizational discipline. Instead, it creates a balanced approach where organizational goals and human dignity are considered together. The Kapwa supports sustainable organizational development, and therefore, a Filipino management should integrate indigenous philosophies such as Kapwa and Pakikipagkapwa because they provide a culturally appropriate approach to leadership, employee relationship, and organizational development. As a commitment, leader with malasakit. Starting today, I will practice people-centered leadership by treating employees as partners, listening to their concerns, promoting teamwork, and making decisions that balance organization success with respect of human dignity. Thank you very much.